rainfall is possible. Where?
Portions of Maine, including the following areas: Somerset, interior Cumberland Highlands, Franklin, Oxford. Portions of New Hampshire, including the following areas: Belknap, Coos, Grafton, and Carroll. When? From late tonight through Tuesday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: a complex storm system will bring multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms late tonight into Tuesday. The focus for the heaviest rainfall will be from the foothills northward, including the White Mountains and western Maine Mountains. Repeating showers with heavy rainfall will likely lead to excessive runoff and flash flooding. Locally considerable flooding impacts are possible. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Pac-Monadnock in Peterborough, New Hampshire.
Well, that scared the hell out of me.